At the first day that I seen the land, I saw the pictures already. Typically, people get used to with rectangular and square shape of the land, but L shape is very tricky. That's why I start with the circulations. First is about stair, corridor, and after that I put the function composed together. We create double wall to create the shadow. That means the sun cannot expose directly to the wall and make the walls cold. Just that. This is a trick that to keep low temperature from the natural shadow, which is created by double wall. I like to keep the light in the house all the time and not get blocked other sunlight. And that's why the corridor is to transfer the light from outside, pass through in the house. Yet with all the corridor, I can use a kind of like a collectible art piece, and then we can use as a showcase. When you walk past by the corridor, you can imitate like you walk in the gallery, some sort like that. It began from I really crazy in photography, and I turned to be a photographer sometime during study in America. I keep taking picture, black and white picture. I've come up with the final print, and then I don't know what we're gonna do with that. Finally, I hang my own picture. After that, from the time to time, I travel so many places, and I didn't buy anything from the trip. I normally buy an art piece or maybe a painting, maybe take some pictures from that location and transfer to be a painting and then decorate in our house to recognize that location, that what we've been through, passed through, to remind me all the times. It's almost like a traveler, kind of like, this house is almost like traveler pocketbook, pretty much like that. Photography is the one issue that I kind of like explore by myself, and the more I get deeper, the more I get serious with that kind of a hobby. I would like to call it a serious hobby. I study photography by myself and then end up with study with John Sexton and Arno Newman. After that, I find out that that kind of strategy can transfer to use in interior design, architecture. It's exactly the same thing we talk about. Visual training, composition and proportion is really related together. That's why photography and architecture and interior design is all together. We talk about the same things.